There are many situations where women win an argument, or we as men think of doing that one thing that we don't want to, or say sorry to a girl even if we don't want to, or become desperate for her. It's just not because we feel like doing it, but because of the mind games that women play with us. Yes, you've heard me right. Women subconsciously play mind games with men, which makes them more dominant and powerful when we bend over for those little tricks. Today I am going to share a few ways in which you can make those mind games work in your favor. These are the mind games that women play you shouldn't fall for. Number 1. Look at me. This is the game women start even before a word has been exchanged. They want to make sure he is looking at her, even when she is not looking. They make sure you're the one to chase them. They try to attract the attention of the man by making sure she's not looking at him. They do look at men, but don't want men to notice that. This is complete to make sure you're a perfect man for them or not. If you turn out to be needy or being desperate to talk to her, then you fail literally. So, the thing you need to do is to control your emotions of being clingy and needy behavior around her. The best thing you can ever do is by building up an attitude of don't care about women. Women crave attention, they want to be looked at and felt like a princess. On the other hand, we don't let that happen. Just look at her a few times, with a confident look and a smile, then turn around and keep going on with your work. Some women keep playing this game long after the two have first met. So, be careful. Number 2, invest in me. Some women make it to a point of making men pay and invest for them. A very good example of these types of women is gold diggers. But normal women who seek a provider are also notorious for playing mind games with men, for quite a few reasons. Might be to pay for the dates, to buy gifts, or for her emotional support. She makes you all these things, to increase her power in controlling you. As we all know, women have a greater sexual market value, and they are much valued in the dating scenario. This makes men get into the trap of investing time and money on unnecessary women. The best way to deal with such situations is by testing her for the real reason she got on with you. Let a few dates pass by, check if she is really paying for you, at least a few times. If she asks for regular pickups and drops, or for a few favors down the line, then she is not the one for you. If she does, then you're good to go. Number 3, wait for me. Most of you world have faced this situation at least once in their lifetime. Sometimes it's okay to be late, there might be valid reasons behind her being late. But during a date, it's mostly to be viewed as a different situation. As women tend to make men wait intentionally. And that's not to be encouraged for more than 2 dates. It's because they start testing for our wanted nature for her. No self-respecting woman would show up early to date and wait for him. Many women will show up late and some will show late on purpose. The only purpose of making us wait for a prolonged period of time is to make us want her more. It also demonstrates power and control. How to gain control if she goes late. If it's longer than 10 minutes, she must write to you. If she is not apologizing, consider it a very bad sign and a strike against her character. If she's not responsive, consider the date off and move. Often women will chase you when they will realize you're not waiting around for them. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.